Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video we are going to learn the tutorial to make Quran recitation videos. First you need to download these two apps, Inshot and Quran English. Open Inshot, tap on Video. Tap on New, and select your clip. Remove watermark. Select your audio clip. Open Quran app. Select the surah and ayah verse you want. Copy the ayah verse. Go back to Inshot. Tap on text. Paste the copied text. Select and copy only ayah verse. Cut the unwanted text. Paste the copied ayah verse. Select the font. For font, message me on Telegram, link in bio. Remove borders if not needed.
Adjust the size of text. Usually I keep the size 7. Adjust text according to the audio. Open Google and search ayah and symbol. Copy the symbol. Paste the symbol at the end of ayah verse. Apply these steps to all ayahs verses. If translation is needed, select the ayah verse text and tap on copy option. Open Quran app. Copy the ayah verse which you need. The translation. Open Inshot. Paste the copied text. Select and copy the translation. Remove unwanted text. Paste the copied text. Adjust the size of translation. Apply these steps to all ayahs verses. Select the text. Tap on Edit. Tap on Animation. Select Fade Animation. Adjust the animation time. Apply this to all ayahs verses. Tap on Export. Select 1080p and 60 fps. Export the video. Result is in the description.